Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you curried chicken's feet. So you'll need a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoon and a half of sea salt, Scotch bonnet pepper 1, dried basil a tablespoon and a half, pimento berries a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. I'm only doing a pound today, so 1 tablespoon of curry for a pound. If you're doing 2 pounds, 2 tablespoons of curry. Dried parsley a tablespoon and a half, a small to medium sized onion, a piece of chocha, optional, spring of thyme, 6 garlic cloves, and 2 stalks of scallions. And just to spruce the taste up, some nutmeg, about a great quarter teaspoon, and quarter cup of coconut oil preferably, and a tablespoon of white vinegar. This my chicken's feet. It's kind of frozen right now. So I'm just gonna put some water, let it defrost for a little while. Why do you do that? Just prep these, strip the skin off, and so forth. The onion, strip this first layer off. And peel this. This is optional. I just have this piece. I'm just going to use it. Alright, that's all the way. Just oops. That's what you get for. Just kind of take the skins off. Alright, we're gonna add the seasoning twice. Add 1, add 2. Alright, so I went ahead and prepped these. Strip them off and clean them properly. Half of this over here. Garlic, onion, chocha, and add 2. And I didn't say it earlier, but a piece of ginger. To 1 index. Piece over there, piece over there. Time over there, time over there. Pimento berries. Half over here. Half over here. Dried parsley. Half over here. And half over here. Dried basil. Tablespoon and a half. Add 1. Put the garlic aside to burn the curry. And the ginger. It sits. And I didn't say it, but quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon of rosemary. That was a half a teaspoon. Pepper and add 2. Alright. Cover this properly and put aside. Alright, use a food scissors and cut the toes off. Yeah. Sure you get it from here. The nails. Wash it off now. Add a little white vinegar. About a tablespoon. And just take these apart now. Clean it off properly. Just clean like this. For these, you have some on top here. Let's make sure the scale is all off. And stuff like this, you can cut it. It should be clean like this. I'm just let them stay and add one for a little while, because I don't want dirty anything else up. Put to it a pot, a pressure cooker pot first. Pressure cooker pot. So allow it to dry. We're gonna burn. Put your stove gauge on medium high, which are around 6 or 4. Add your garlic and ginger. Just make sure the water is out. Get your oil ready, get your fork ready, because we're going to burn the curry. So once it's dry, add curry. A tablespoon to 2. You can use a tablespoon and you can also use 2 tablespoons. Just kind of burn it. You see it getting dark a little? Yeah. That's what you want, but not black. You don't want it to get black. Alright, add oil. About less than 1/4 cup. Just after that, add chicken's feet. Garlic. Add season 1. salt in it. Half over here. Just gonna allow it to fry for about a minute. The stove's gauge is on 6. It's ready. Done properly. Just allow the curry to burn in the chicken's feet for a little while, for about a minute or two. The stove's gauge is on 6, medium high all this time. And get your 2 cups of water ready. And the water. That thing look bizarre. It's gonna soften. Sound properly. Once it starts to whistle, we're going to see what happens sometime with it. Stuck, but you gotta be careful what you do. Don't do what I do, because it can release and hit you. But because when I was washing this thing fell out and I didn't put it in properly. Building. Alright, once the timer starts, put your time. Once it starts to whistle, put your timer for 5 minutes and turn the stove gauge on low. Just turn it off and allow it to cool. Or run here on the top water. So here's the releases. Don't ever. You know, I used to do that when I was younger. I used to do that. Don't do it. The flavor escapes. Alright, that's cooled. Alright, this is how it looks. That's how you want it. Turn it on back. Put your stove's gauge on 4, medium, low, a little bit below medium. Keep it covered and just let it simmer. We're going to let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, but let it simmer for about 10 minutes before I add season. Just kind of mash the garlic. We're going to add that. Add the white vinegar. That was just 2 minutes in. After 5 minutes, add season 2. Cover it properly and just allow simmering. Just to note, I use 2 cups of water, but I only cook less than a pound. So if you're cooking, say, 2 pounds, use 4 cups of water. Don't be forced to open it and look at it every minute. Just keep it covered within the time. Just to show you, this is 15 minutes stewing, 5 minutes stewing, and then 10 minutes we added the season, so it's 15 minutes in all stewing. With the stove's gauge on 4 all this time, medium. That's where it's at. Just cover it and just let it keep on simmering, allow simmering. Just keep it covered within the time. Like I said, I just opened the lid just to show you. Alright. This is how it looks. It's actually finished. And this was 20 minutes. So that's it. Remove the time sticks. It's gonna thicken as it cools. So that's good enough. Just turn it off until, let's recap. We pressure cooked the chicken's feet for 5 minutes in 2 cups of water, along with season 1. Add season 1. Then after that, we turn back on. After that, and it's cooled, we turn on by the stove and put it on 4, medium, low. Cover it, allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. Then I add season 2. Then after that, I cover it properly and allow it to simmer for 15 more minutes, and then it's finished. You saw it sticking just now, so that's a sign to say it's ready. So if you had used plenty of water, all you have to do is just open the pot slightly and just allow the water to evaporate. chicken's feet. Alright, my time now. That's mine. So enjoy. Bye. Alright. So when you finish eating, for y'all people that's not Jamaican, I don't, it should look like this. Don't swallow the bone. Just chew it and suck out all the protein and then dispose the bone. So that's how it should look. This is a nice meal. It's not a popular meal. It's not cooked regular. But this is a way. It's another way of cooking curried chicken's feet. Alright, see you.